Welcome to Byte-Sized Tech. So, at its latest Max conference, Adobe just pulled the curtain back on its vision for the future of creativity. And let me tell you, it's not just about a few new AI features sprinkled here and there. Nope. They are building an entire AI orchestra, and they're handing you the conductor's baton.
In this quote right here from Adobe CTO Elite Greenfield, this is the key to all of it. The goal isn't to replace you, the artist. It's to give you a team of super capable AI assistants. We're talking about a huge shift in thinking, from AI as just a tool to AI as a genuine teammate.
So here's the plan for today. We're going to meet this new AI teammate, then we'll see how the individual musicians are totally changing the game in photo, video, and design. And then we'll meet the conductor of this whole thing, Project Moonlight, before wrapping up with what this all means for the future. Okay, so Adobe's big idea is to bake these AI assistants right into every single app. We're moving way beyond just clicking a button to get a single effect. I want you to imagine having a real conversational partner inside Photoshop or Premiere that actually understands your project, a partner that can handle complex, multi-step jobs from just a simple command from you. All right, let's see how this orchestra really starts to play, kicking things off with photography. The big story here is how AI is zeroing in on the most tedious, time-sucking parts of a photographer's job, to free you up to actually focus on being creative. What's really key here is the amount of choice and automation you're getting. Generative fill in Photoshop isn't just one-size-fits-all anymore. You can actually switch between Adobe's Firefly, Google's Gemini, and another model from Black Forest Labs to get different results. And hey, if you've ever come back from a shoot with thousands of photos, Lightroom's new assisted culling is going to be an absolute lifesaver, automatically finding your best shots. Plus, the new Firefly 5 model means your generated images are getting a serious upgrade in quality.
Next up in the orchestra are the instruments for video and audio. The mission here is pretty simple. Turn hours and hours of tedious post-production work into mere minutes by tackling some of the biggest headaches for creators.
Each one of these tools solves a very specific and very real pain point. Manually masking an object frame by agonizing frame in Premiere Pro? Yeah, that's gone thanks to AI Object Mask. Scouring the internet for the perfect royalty-free song? Generate Soundtrack just does it for you. Need a quick voiceover? Generate Speech has you covered. And for all you YouTubers, there's a new dedicated hub to crank out shorts even faster. Let's just zoom in on Generate Soundtrack for a second, because this is a total game changer. You just upload a video, the AI literally analyzes its mood and pacing, and then it creates custom instrumental music that syncs up perfectly with what's happening on screen. And the process is just unbelievably simple. You upload a clip, you give the AI a prompt. You can use presets like hip-hop or just describe the feel you're going for, like sentimental. And that's it. The AI comes back with a bunch of custom options for you to pick from. Now here's probably the most important thing to know about Adobe's new audio tools. Unlike some other AI music generators that have gotten into hot water, Adobe trained its models on fully licensed content. That means you can use these soundtracks and voiceovers in your work without ever worrying about copyright strikes. That is a massive deal. Okay, let's switch gears from the high-end Pro Tools for a minute and talk about something for everyone. Adobe is pouring a ton of AI muscle into Adobe Express, and the big idea here is what they call the democratization of design, making really powerful tools easy for anyone to use no matter their skill level. The star of this show is the new AI assistant in Express. It's basically a chatbot that lets you design stuff just by talking to it in plain English. You don't need to know what kerning is or how to use a layers panel. You can literally just type, "Make this pop," or "Give this a jungle theme," and it gets it, and it makes the changes for you. Live AI demos are always a bit of a nail-biter, and sometimes they give you some pretty hilarious results. So, to show off what this AI assistant could do, the presenter at Adobe Max gave it a very specific and frankly a kind of weird request about a raccoon. So the AI takes this super complex prompt, right? But in this great little twist, it decided the best way to do all that was to just turn the entire photo into a cartoon illustration. It's a really funny example of how the AI thinks and interprets our creative ideas, showing off both its power and, its current quirks. So we've met all the new AI musicians for photos, for video, for audio, and for design. And each one is incredibly powerful. But Adobe's biggest reveal, the real showstopper, was all about how they're going to get these individual players to work together in perfect harmony. And that brings us to the grand finale, Project Moonlight. If all those AI assistants are the musicians in the orchestra, then Project Moonlight is the conductor, coordinating everything to create something amazing.
So here's how it works. First, Project Moonlight is context-aware. It plugs into your Creative Cloud files, even your social media accounts, to learn your unique style. Second, it lets you create through conversation. You can just talk to it, brainstorm, and it'll use all the other AI tools to actually make the content. And third, it gives you a data-driven strategy. It can analyze how your posts are doing and suggest what you should make next to grow your audience.
So the big takeaway is this. Project Moonlight isn't just another app. Think of it as this overarching intelligence layer, like an AI creative director that sits on top of everything, helping you plan and execute whole campaigns from a single conversational spot. When you put all of these announcements from Max 2025 together, they paint a really clear picture of the future. The creative process is becoming a true collaboration, a partnership between human ideas and artificial intelligence.
And this leaves all of us with a huge and honestly really exciting question. When all the tedious busy work is automated and you have a whole team of AI assistants ready to go, what new creative frontiers does that open up? It kind of suggests a future where the only real limit is your own ambition.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.